Hey Queens, it's your girl Nini, and today I am so excited to be going over all of my headscarves, headbands, and head wraps from Amazon. Everything will be linked in my Amazon storefront in the description of this video. I'm also going to give you guys some tutorials for how to wrap these head wraps. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Hey Queens, today I'm showing you guys my ready-to-wear head wrap collection from Amazon. So I got these pre-looped head wraps from Amazon a while ago and I absolutely love them. They came in a multi-pack and they also come in patterns. So let's quickly look at all the ones I have. All right, so here's the yellow and the red. It comes with purple and blue, as well as pink, and the tan one that I have on my head, which is my favorite. They are super comfortable, easy to wear, they're not tight, and they take a lot of the hard work out of learning how to wrap your head. So if you're interested, everything will be linked in my Amazon storefront. Hey Queens, today I'm going to show you an easy head wrap tutorial with one of my favorite head wraps from Amazon. We're going to start by folding it in half, and we're going to put one side of the wrap at the back of the neck and the other at the forehead, and we're going to tie a knot. Make sure you tie it to what you're comfortable with, and then we're going to take both ends of the scarf and we're going to wrap it around itself in a twist, and then we're going to take that twist and we're going to wrap it around the scarf at the top of my forehead, and that end piece we're going to twist it and we're just going to tuck it inside of that scarf and make it into a little bun. This is the final look. I love this head wrap style. I wear it all the time. Info to this head wrap is linked in my Amazon storefront if you guys are interested. Hey Queens, here's a tutorial on how I created this head wrap style with an Amazon headband wig. So the first thing I'm using is a scarf from Amazon. I'm going to fold it in half and put one side to the back of my neck and the other side to the front of the wig. After that, I'm going to tie a knot at the top front of the wig, and then I'm going to take both sides and twist them around itself, wrap it around the back of that bun, and tuck it in the front. I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. And after I tuck it, I'm just going to find any loose ends and make sure that they're hidden. And this is the final look. I absolutely love it. It'll be linked in my Amazon storefront. Hey Queens, today I'll be showing you this head wrap style with a head wrap from Amazon. So the first thing I'm going to do is fold the head wrap in half, and then I'm going to wrap it around my head and knot it at the back. Then I'm going to do a twist all the way down the scarf like a two-strand twist, and I'm going to pull it up to the top of my head. I'm going to twist it in and tuck it in the back, and this is the final look for this head wrap. These head wraps are from Amazon. They're really quality and they'll be linked in my Amazon storefront. Hey Queens, today we're going over my headscarf and head wrap collection from Amazon. Here are some blues, and we have some more blue, Next we have red. And some of these are reversible. And we have orange. This one even looks like a world map. Another reversible. All of these are linked in my Amazon storefront. Hey queens, today we're going over my scarf and head wrap collection from Amazon part 2. Red and rainbow. Golds and greens. Yellows again. All of these are linked in my Amazon storefront. Hey queens, this week I showed you guys all of my scarves and head wraps from Amazon. I bought a few more, so let's unbox them. Here's the first one. Cute. And the second, even cuter. And the third, I think is the cutest. This came in a pack of 3 and they're all linked in my Amazon storefront. Hey queens, I picked up 2 new head wraps from a seller on Amazon. Let's unbox them and see what they're looking like. So the first color I got is this bold and vibrant orange. It's really soft and comfy, and I'm so excited to wrap this. It is a lot of material. I'm gonna try to open it all out so you can see all of it, but honestly, it is a lot. I got this in tan. It is also super soft. I will link both of these in my Amazon storefront and I'll be wrapping my hair with them soon. Next up, queens, is this pack of stretchy headbands that I took a chance on from Amazon, and I'm so glad I did. If you look at this pack, there are so many different colors in this package. So far, I've only styled 2 colors, which is this orange red and a mint green. I wore this orange red one with this faux lock wig from Amazon. It is a headband wig and it paired perfectly. These are really stretchy and they feel really soft. I love the material. These are my favorite headbands that have the soft stretchy material that I've tried from Amazon so far. So here is the mint green one. I wore it with a kinky curly headband wig that I recently showed you guys, and again, super comfortable, super easy to wear. I love the way that it looks and feels, and it comes with so many different colors, so I'm so happy, you guys. I really wanted some new stretchy comfy headbands, and I wanted solid colors because I can wear them with many different things, and this product definitely delivered. Hey queens, so let's unbox my new headband finds from Amazon. I picked up this, is it 20? Yeah. So I picked up this 20 pack, you guys, because I needed some new headbands for some new headband wigs that I got. I have some floral, a lot of solid colors, which is what I wanted because you could put a solid color with anything, okay? And some mixed prints. I already see my favorite, and it is between these 2 right here. All of these will be linked in my Amazon storefront. All right, queens, I hope you guys enjoyed that haul. I really love these items and I'm so happy with my purchases. I will have everything linked in the description, including some of the outfits that I wore, jewelry, and the makeup. I love you queens so much, and I'm so excited to talk to you guys in the comments. Let me know what you thought about this video, and I will talk to you very soon in another video. Bye.